Unlocking conversational English. Mastering how for degree or extent. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on mastering conversational English. Today we're zooming in on a very important question word, how. More specifically, we will be focusing on using how to ask about degree or extent. So without further ado, let's dive right in. When we use how to ask about degree or extent, we're asking about the amount, size, or level of something. For example, you might ask, "How old are you?" or "How tall is that building?" In these questions, how is asking about the quantity of years someone has lived or the height of a building. There are many different ways you can use how to ask about degree or extent. Let's go through some common ones. 1. How much? We use how much to ask about the amount or cost of something that is uncountable or intangible. Examples: how much time do we have? How much is that painting? 2. How many? How many is used when we want to know the quantity of something countable. Examples: how many apples do you have? How many students are in your class? 3. How far? How far is used to ask about distance. Examples: how far is the station from here? How far can you run? 4. How long? We use how long to ask about the length of time or physical length, distance. Examples: how long is the movie? How long is this road? 5. How often? How often is used when we want to know the frequency of something. Examples: how often do you go to the gym? How often does the bus come? 6. How well? How well is used when we want to know about the quality or performance of someone or something. Examples: how well did she play? How well do you know him? Remember, how is a versatile word that helps us to gather information about the world around us. Practice using these different forms of how in your everyday conversations to improve your English proficiency. That wraps up our discussion on using how to ask about degree or extent. I hope this lesson has clarified how to use how more effectively in your conversations. As always, the key to learning is practice, so don't be shy about using these phrases when you're speaking English. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and your language skills will grow. Until next time, happy learning!